In the video you are about to watch, the disassembly of the 3 B140LT open circuit valve with code VA36001062 will be demonstrated. First, the protective plastic caps are removed. Then, the internal circlip of the front cover is removed. Air is applied in the lowering position to remove the front cover. The caged fitting attached to the pump line is removed. The bolts holding the rear pneumatic block and cover are removed, and the pneumatic block and cover are taken out. The bolt under the front cover is loosened using an Allen key, while the rear pneumatic piston is held with a special tool. The pneumatic piston is removed, and the shaft is extracted from the valve body. The bolt connected to the pressure gauge and the other bolts on the valve are removed. Then, the pressure adjustment fitting is disassembled. Only the manufacturer can adjust the pressure. The spring retainer piston bolt is removed, and the spring retainer piston and spring are disassembled. Thank you for watching.